Hey Xiaomi user, if you are bored with your current theme setup and want to try something new, then this setup is something you should definitely try. Because in today's video, I am going to show you a complete Noob to Pro transformation. A setup that looks clean, feels premium and give you a really good user experience. So if you want your phone to look fresh again, make sure you watch this video till the end. And at the end of this video, if you feel this video is really helpful, then like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get such amazing HyperOS customizations in the future. Now coming back to today's setup, let's first start with the home screen. This is how the home screen looks. At the top we get a big centered clock widget where we can see the time, day and date information. And believe me, if you are searching for a centered clock widget that suits almost every home screen setup, then this is one of the best options you can try. Now moving ahead from the widget, let's talk about the icons. Here the icons appear in a mixture of iOS and Android style, whether it's system app or any third-party apps, as you can see on the screen. They clearly match and improve the overall look of this home screen setup. However, one small drawback with these icons is that they don't support any animation. After the icons, let's move to one of the most important parts, the control center. Here we have two different control centers. In the first one we get to see something like this, where the toggles appear with a liquid glass effect and it's highly inspired by iOS 26. And believe me, at present this is one of the best control center I have used on my Note 13 Pro 5G. If we talk about the status bar, here the status bar appears in an iOS style, which gives the phone a clean and modern vibe. But if this control center isn't supported on your device, then you can try the second control center. In this layout, the toggles also appear with a liquid glass effect just like the previous one. And the best part about this control center is that all the toggles are working properly, whether we talk about the top part or the bottom part, not like the first control center. Coming to the status bar of this control center, here also we get an iOS style status bar, but it feels more clean and more balanced than the previous one. After the control center, let's take a quick look at the settings menu. Here the settings menu appear in an iOS style where the icons follow the same theme design. So this is the complete look of this setup. Now the main funda is which themes are these and how you can set up this theme setup on your phone. For that, first go to the pinned comment. Download the backup file from the given link and restore it using the backup and restore method. After that, open your theme store. First, go to Customize theme, then status bar and apply the theme called Mera Hitam Final. Then come back to theme section and apply the same theme as a system. Once you do that, your first control center will be applied. Now for the second control center, follow the same process and apply the theme called Prism Real V2 as a status bar and as a system. After applying, your second control center will be activated. Now select the theme called Liquid Rice Crackers and apply it as an icon. You will get these icons. After that, for the home screen clock widget, select the theme called Bucky and apply it as a home screen or as a favorite tray. And finally, the home screen wallpaper you will get on our Telegram channel. So this is the complete process to get this Noob 2 Pro setup on your phone. I hope you like this theme setup and you will get a better user experience than before. See you in the next video. Till then, keep customizing.